Hey everyone, my name is Riley. I'm here with ProLine range hoods to unbox the PLFI 520 model. When you first receive the box, be sure to inspect it. Make sure that everything looks okay, that it wasn't damaged at all. That way you can begin opening your box. So this is the set of instructions on that second flap. We've opened it up. You'll remove the first layer of foam. And in that first layer, right on top, there is a transition piece that you want to set off to the side. We'll talk about this in a minute. And then you'll be able to remove your range hood from the box. All right, so this is how it comes out of the box. The filters are actually pre-installed. You'll want to remove these in order to remove the protective film like we've done. To remove them, you'll lift this little latch and then pull forward, and the filter itself will come all the way out. And you'll remove the protective film that's around the edges. All right, so to put these back in, you'll actually need to take the bottom, place it in the slots in the bottom, pull the latch, slide the top back up in, release the latch, and it'll lock in place, just like so. I'm gonna quickly undo all three filters to show you the inside of the hood. All right, so here's the inside of your hood. You got your 600 CFM motor right here. Behind this black box is where your circuit board is located. This is basically the brain of the hood. It's where everything gets its power. The power is diverted to the lights and to your blower, along with the touch panel that's on the front of the hood. So here's the front of your hood. You'll have your touch panel right here. This is how you'll actually operate the hood. And then up here, that's actually where your chimney will go. That actually comes in a different box. So you'll get this box along with a separate one with your chimney piece and the mounting brackets and things like that. Lastly, like I said, we're going to talk about the transition piece. It's a 6-inch transition piece, so you'll want to use 6-inch duct. This will sit right on top of the hood. There's a little rubber gasket in there to seal it up. And lastly, there is also a 3-prong cord that's about 4 feet long that you'll be able to use to test and inspect your hood when you first receive it, and then when you install it, just plug it into an outlet. And it can also be cut and hardwired if you need it to be. All right, so this is the PLFI 520 model. So if you ever have any questions about this hood or any one of our hoods, go ahead and give us a call and we'd love to take care of you.